Johnny the Chainsaw Man is thirsting over Makima. He was killing devils without a plan, yet he every daily dreamed that bothers Pochita. Could I do something to save Denji? Split in half by Oregon. So he lived the Chainsaw Man with his heart in deep space. So he stands to fight the other hybrids on a roof way up high in the sky, eating devils left and right. Ain't it nice? The life forever for Denji. $10'20", the Denji Man is waiting for the touch of Yoru. Chapter 167, made with no plan, like the every weekly slop chapters that fed the fans, and theories that went nowhere. No matter what you think, they were all trash. So he lived the Denji Man, with his aura in the sand. Oh my god, he and Locust, what a man. Thank you, my Chainsaw Man. Who is Chainsaw Man? Ain't it nice? We don't even get to see a hockey